I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Visual Studio 2022 updated to the required build and a GitHub account with Copilot access. Once done, install Git for Windows if missing and open Visual Studio. Sign into Visual Studio with your GitHub credentials so the editor can use your license. Then open Extensions, Manage Extensions, and search for GitHub Copilot. Click Install and restart Visual Studio when prompted. Make sure your account sync completes before moving on. After restart, enable the Copilot extension and grant permission when Visual Studio requests access to your GitHub account. Next, open Tools Options and find GitHub Copilot settings to adjust suggestion frequency and editor key bindings. I recommend Ctrl+Enter for Accept. Configure telemetry and privacy to match your policy. Make sure to restrict Copilot to language scopes you use: C#, JavaScript, Python, so suggestions are relevant. Finally, open a project file to trigger the first inline suggestions. You finish by testing Copilot. Type a comment or function header and watch suggestions appear. Accept or cycle through options with your shortcut. If suggestions fail, re-authenticate via extensions GitHub and clear stored tokens, then sign back in. Make sure corporate firewalls allow API. GitHub.com. Once working, tune suggestion rate and disable conflicting IntelliSense extensions if you see lag. If performance still falters, restart Visual Studio and check for updates. This usually resolves remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.